Hey, it's Michael here, and I have another tax tip for practitioners who deal with representation work, also known as tax resolution. I know a lot of you are extremely frustrated when you call ACS, Automatic Collection System, or the practitioner priority line because you're getting conflicting information depending on which agent you speak with. And even more dreadful is the fact that most of them are poorly trained and inexperienced. A lot of our members, I speak to dozens of our members every week, and I hear the same thing, that they have to call 3 and 4 times in a lot of cases just to get a simple question asked because all the new ACS phone operators and the PPL operators are so poorly trained. So keep the faith. You have to be persistent. You have to be consistent. If you don't get an answer that you know is the correct answer with the first agent you speak with, politely disconnect the call and call back. And you may need to do that 2 or 3 or even 4 times. Also, I know a lot of you are setting up installment agreements with ACS only to call back 4 to 6 to 7 weeks later because you haven't received the installment agreement letter, that they haven't even entered in the amount or they changed the amount. So I know it's extremely frustrating. And what's really the worst part of it is that the top brass at the IRS thinks it's all rainbow and unicorn. They think that everything is working great because of the $80 billion they got with the IRA Act. But what's going on in the trenches, what's going on in reality is very different from what the top brass is telling us. So don't worry, keep the faith, be persistent, keep calling ACS and the PPL line to make sure you're getting the answers you know are correct. And that's the tax tip for today, and we'll be back next time with more tips.